Let's look at the quick checks. So we saw a quick check at the bottom of our pages in the Learning Theories module. Right, I made a different background so they stood out, but you'll notice that the next button does not appear unless the student answers one of these questions correctly. So let's see how I did that. Okay, so here's a blank page. I'm going to click Edit, let my design tools populate or launch on the side. And normally what I do is I'm going to create content. I can copy it from somewhere else, but this one we're starting from scratch. I'm pretending like I have none of these in any of my courses already. I'm going to pick one of the themes, right, and then you can see, kind of fill in the blanks. I can add a content block. We'll look more at these content blocks and formatting techniques in a different video. I'm just going to add a blank one, so I'm not going to type anything there. Okay, this might be some information. Okay. And then I'm going to go to Add Advanced Elements. Here we'll see Quick Check near the bottom. And I can either add as a block or add at the cursor. So that line going up and down, that's my cursor. If I click Add at Cursor, it's going to keep it in that box, but I'm going to add it as a separate block. So you'll see now it's a different color. I can change the color, anything like that, but let's just keep it basic for right now. This is where I'll put my question. So I'm going to make up a question that I probably wouldn't ask in a normal class, but what is Dr. Menchaca's favorite color? And then I can add some answers. So let's start with green, blue. Let's say I want to add more possible answers, so I'm going to come up to this side, add answer. So I have this check mark. This is where hide next, so that next button option until the question is correctly answered. If I want the students to be able to click next no matter what, I can turn that off, but I like to use that so that way it forces the student to answer the question. And then you have to select which one's the correct answer. So pink is my favorite color. It's going to be selected. It's green now. It says correct answer. The check mark is shaded. And then these boxes are the replies, the responses, or the feedback to the students. So if a student selects green, the response text to be displayed. I can say this is not her favorite color. And then I can keep doing that for the other ones. I might want to congratulate them for this one being correct. So correct, this is. But I might say, but you're getting closer. So you can customize the feedback for each of the responses. I'm going to go ahead and press save. And now we can see what it looks like, right? I don't have a next button yet. It is inside of a module. If I pick green, I have that X, it's red, telling me it's incorrect. I can pick pink. And now the next button appears. And this will always reset every time the student comes back to this page. They'll have to answer the question again correctly before that next button appears.